What's up guys, Carey with DrillFit Training. I am going to show you all the dumbbell side laterals or lateral raises. Few different techniques on this exercise that are very important. Number one is going to be keeping those traps down and back as much as possible. Keep your chest up high. I like to start this exercise with the dumbbells in front of my body. It helps keep the traps out of it a little bit more. And then whenever we are performing, we want to think bringing the dumbbells up and out to the side. We're not just bringing up, because then we'll start incorporating the traps as well, but bringing them out toward the walls beside you as much as possible, keeping a slight bend in the elbow. And also whenever I'm performing this exercise, the dumbbells are ever so slightly in front of my body. So we just don't want to be trying to pull them back behind us as we perform this straight up and out. Whenever you're bringing the dumbbells out to the side, I'm keeping the dumbbell very, very flat. You don't want to tip the dumbbell backwards or forwards, because that'll change the dynamic and take the tension away from the middle delts. I like to do this exercise for about 12 to 15 reps. It's a power up, slow, controlled down, super great for growing the shoulders. That is the dumbbell side laterals or lateral raises with the dumbbells.